Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. My name's Carol and I would love to have you subscribe so that we can be friends. That would be awesome. So today I have finally my FabFitFun box. I couldn't film at all last week. I actually got this about a week ago, and so I'm really excited to get into it right now. This is for winter 2018. They come out every quarter. They're $49.99. And there's usually a coupon if you're brand new, and I will put the latest coupon down below in the description box so that you can join. Now, I am a FabFitFun affiliate, but they have not otherwise paid me. In fact, I paid for this box, so I hope it's good. Last month's was really good. I said last month, didn't I? Last season was really good. I'll put that link up here, and so I'm assuming that this one's going to be good as well. I hope. But let's get into it. Let's dig into it right now. I am dying. So you open it up and you've got all this stuff here. There's a magazine. Brooke Burke is on the front. She's very pretty. I like her. There's a gift card for HelloFresh. There's always a gift card for HelloFresh in one of these. So then we have all of our goodies right here. And let's dig in. This box doesn't feel as big as the last one, but that doesn't usually matter. The last one, I got this really nice tote that I actually use like all the time. So this season, it looks like there's still lots of stuff in here. So, I mean, there's lots of good things in here. So let's start off with this. This is Calling My Name. This is an eye mask by Black. And it is late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb-on-carb delights can have our peepers looking, well, not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind, pop on the activated charcoal eye mask to detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. So very cool. I have used Black products before. I have not used their eye mask though, but this does have hyaluronic acid in it, which is great for skin that has like fine lines and wrinkles and things like that, like my skin. I mean, I am a 40-something-year-old person, so I'm gonna have some lines. But we're going to try that out. I'm excited for that. Next, this one I'm so excited for. If I can open it. This is called a jade roller. And I have heard so much about these. I can't get it open. So jade rollers have been used forever to help stimulate energy in your skin. And it kind of helps it kind of, look at this. I'm taking this. It helps it regenerate your skin a little bit better. So, oh my God, this feels so nice. It's really cold. I'm just going to use it right down here because this is like the spot that I hate the most on my whole body is my neckline. There's a fine one for like underneath your eyes and in like little spots. So, ooh. I use daily for 2 minutes after moisturizing. Gently roll in an upward direction around face and neck and under eyes. For a special treat, pop in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. I'm doing that. I am totally doing that with this. Next, we have Ahava, and this is a brand I'm very familiar with. And this is a hydration cream mask. This is great for winter skin. My skin gets so dry in the winter. I am so excited to use this. Let me see what the ingredients are. Water, spring water, glycerin. There is some alcohol in it, just so you guys know. There's shea butter as well. This is vegan, so that's cool. And it's also paraben free. So let's open it up. I want to take a quick little smell of it. It smells very fresh. It smells a lot like shea butter, and which is, you know, it's in there. So I figured that it would smell like something that was in there. And it definitely smells like shea butter. So it's really nice and fresh. And I can already feel on the back of my skin. I put it on there and I wiped it right off. It does feel like plumping and kind of hydrating. So, oh my God, I'm so excited to use that. What's next? What's next? What's next? Ooh, Bite. Looks like it is a lipstick in the color meringue. It's a amuse-bouche lipstick. Amuse-bouche usually means tiny, so I hope it's a full size. Oh, it's a full size. So here it is. Here is the color. It's kind of a nudie peach. That's pretty. It's fairly light. It's very neutral. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Moving on, we have from Thrive Cosmetics, spelled with C-A-U-S-E. This is the Brilliant Eye Brightener Ring Light Technology. What? Highlighting stick. What? Ring light technology. So I have a ring light right here. And if this makes my face look like I have a ring light on it all the time, I'm going to be stoked. There we go. See, right next to that pink there. Let's try this out because this is interesting to me. This is very interesting to me. So I'm just going to put it around the corners of my eyes. Is it just for the eyes? Shine Bright, Champagne Shimmer, Ring Light Technology. What is that? What is that? Diffuse light and defined features instantly highlights and brightens and opens your eyes. You apply it to brow bone, lids, waterline, and corners of eyes. Applies to your waterline? Crazy. Let's do it to the brow bone. It's pretty. It's easy to use. It's definitely really easy to use. Oh, that is pretty. Okay. Okay, I like you. I like you, Thrive Cosmetics. What's the cause for? For every product you purchase, we donate one to a woman in need. Okay, so I guess if I purchase this Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella, somebody in need will also get a Brilliant Eye Brightener, which, you know, is great because these types of things make you feel beautiful. They make you feel better about yourself, make you feel more confident, and, you know, therefore are good. So let's move on. Essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange. Ooh. It's interesting that they gave essential oils. I've never gotten anything like that in any of these packets before. Sweet orange, it smells like oranges. Whoa! Woke me up. And then eucalyptus. I don't know a whole lot about oils. I'm not a fan of eucalyptus. I don't know a whole lot about oils. If anybody can tell me what sweet orange and eucalyptus is used for down in the comments, I would love to know because I have no idea. I mean, I said that sweet orange woke me up. I wouldn't be surprised if that's what it was like, revitalizing or whatnot. I don't know what eucalyptus does. It doesn't tell me on the back what it does. So somebody tell me down in the comments, what do sweet orange and eucalyptus do? And then also let me know what your favorite oils are, your favorite essential oils are. Personally, I love lavender because I use it for everything. It's so calming, it's so nice, and it smells really good. But that's just me. So let's move on. What is this? Oh, this is something I definitely need. This is the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask. This is for your hair. I've seen this around a lot, actually. Oh, wow. It is full to the brim. So you put it on your hair, you leave it on for a while, you wash it off, and your hair is nice and soft and silky. For somebody like me that does have a lot of damage to my hair due to coloring and bleaching, this stuff is like a must. So I will be using that. So that is awesome. Okay, we have two more items. We have this circle necklace. Oh, it's jewelry. That's one of the things about FabFitFun. I get jewelry in almost every box, and that's always so nice. I always really enjoy getting something pretty and new to wear. So let's see what this is. This is a circle necklace is a perfect introduction piece for every woman. Explore all of Lele Sadoji. I don't know how to say it. Geometric, feminine, and colorful designs online at lelesadoji.com. Oh, that's really pretty. Ooh, did I drop something? I did. Just a little piece of plastic. So it's this large circle. It's silver, but I don't think it's real silver. It doesn't say. I don't know what kind of metal this is, so I cannot tell you, but you'll be able to find out on her website, I'm sure. It does have these two little charms that have her name on it. And you've got this big circle here. So let's put it on and see how it looks. Oh, that's really pretty. I like it. I like it. The last thing we have is Mark and Graham blankie. Oh, this looks really nice. It looks like it's a blanket or a throw or something. It says that they do personalized gifts. I doubt this is personalized because it came in this box. This is 50 inches by 60 inches. It looks like it's a blanket, but it is thin enough. Oh, that's really pretty. Looks like it's thin enough to where I can maybe not a scarf, but definitely some sort of wrap or shawl or something. It has some lovely stripes on it. It's got kind of a camel and like a linen color. It's extremely, extremely soft. It feels pretty stretchy. So it can definitely be used a lot. Let me see what it's made of. It is 100% acrylic. And yeah, and it's got these pretty tassels on either end. They don't go all around, they're just on two ends. And it's pretty big. So pretty good size. I like. Very nice. There's my FabFitFun box for winter 2018. If you like it, there is a link down below to purchase. It is my own affiliate link, but that should not give you any pressure to buy it from there. Just if you like it and if you want to get it, get it. And there should be a code down below as well, and it is a code that everybody's got. I don't have my own personal code. So so you should be able to get $10 off if you're new and get it all for $39.95, about 40 bucks. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again next time. Bye.